have a confession. I'm on the clock right now. What are some work from home perks that you all enjoy? Mine is definitely cooking, cleaning, occasionally napping. Give me 1 second, I got a customer. Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me. This is Dominique with Dainty Budgets. On my channel, we do cash stuffings, we do budgeting, we talk about debt payoff, financial freedom, debt horror stories. I actually have a few more horror stories I want to tell you guys about. So yeah, we just talk about pretty much anything on this channel related to finance. And if you want to join me on my financial journey, definitely click that subscribe button. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so I have a confession. Right now I'm actually in my kitchen because the desk that I normally film at is currently occupied because I'm on the clock right now.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
I know. I'm on the clock, but I'm still doing my job. I have on my headset, so if anybody needs assistance, I will be able to assist them. But yeah, I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get this knocked out. We're slow today, and so yeah, let's go ahead and get stuffing. So this week, we are going to be stuffing $690. Now, some of this money is from Uber and DoorDash. Most of it is from there, but some of it is from my Robinhood account. I had a stock in there that I'm just like, I'm tired of playing with y'all. You know, one day it's up, the next day it's down, and it's just like, I just can't. So I'm like, you know what, let me just get my money out. And so I think I had like $40 in there. And then I also had some other monies in my account that I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and stuff it. Yeah, let's go ahead and start. So the first envelope that we're going to be stuffing is car. Car is going to be getting $120. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20. So now car has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. $166. Rent will be getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 50, 200. So, since I'm filming this on the clock, I guess this is a great time to ask you all, what are some work from home perks that you all enjoy? Mine is definitely cooking, cleaning, occasionally napping when we're not busy. Give me 1 second, I got a customer. All right, I'm back. So I don't know if I should be confessing this to you all, but I feel like, you know what? I'm not gonna say we all do it, but come on now. But anyways, I'm not saying I do that, you know, while I'm helping customers and stuff, but when we're not busy, oh, trust me, I'm doing everything I can on the clock because it feels better. It feels like I'm getting paid to do the things that I normally wouldn't get paid for, you know? I know I'm not, but it feels like I am. So anyways, ministry is gonna be getting 100. So 20, oh no, actually ministry is gonna be getting 170. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. And this envelope is currently empty, so 170 is the total. Business is going to be getting 40. So now business has 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, $64. All right, and like I told you all in my last video, I'm still waiting on my vacation envelope and my gift envelope to come in the mail from Etsy. So for now, both of them are just in my fun envelope. So I don't know why I combined them like this. Hold on, why did I thought I had them separated. You know what? I'm gonna figure this out later. I'm just gonna add it. I'm not even gonna count it. So vacation will be getting 50, so 20, 40, 45, 50. And then gifts will be getting 20. So last time, I wanna say that I put 25 for gifts, and I know I put 50 for vacation. So right now, vacation should have 100 and gift should have like 50 or $45, one of the two. All right, and we can move on to the next envelope. All right, and as you guys can see, I did get a new envelope. Like, oh my gosh, so cute, right? I cannot wait to get my all of my envelopes from Etsy and just have a brand new, this is just so cute to me. I want to get more, but more new envelopes, but we'll see. So car maintenance is going to be getting $20. And I want to say that makes it 200 because last time I think I had like 180. So car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Emergency will be getting $20. So 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 90, 490. And for those of you who do not know, I struggle with the 50, so that's why I counted it like that. Miscellaneous will be getting 15. Now, how did I count this wrong? Let me see if I can get change really quick. I go to the when I go to the ATM, all I can get is 20. So I just had to make change for myself. All right, so 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So $57 in miscellaneous. Health will be getting $15. All right, health now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I do have to take out, so 120, and I do have to take out like 87 for my dentist payment plan that I'm doing. So I have this month and then next month, and then I'm done paying it off. Challenge will be getting $15. And how did I count this wrong again? Let me see if I should have a 5 in here. So I'll just take a 5 out and then I'll put in a 20, and then I'll be counting this for you guys next week. And normally it's the 5, 10, 20 challenge. I did not get the stuff last week because, long story short, I ended up paying my car note twice. And so the money that I had for Uber last week, most of it went towards that. So I wasn't able to stuff my challenge. So that's why I'm doing $15 this week instead of, you know, the normal amount. So that makes up for the $5 and the $10 for this week. All right. So the last envelope that I'm going to be stuffing is my debt envelope. Now, as you guys can see, I now have 3, so I have categorized things a little bit differently. And I would actually like to make this one black because I feel like debt is not a happy thing and pink is just too happy. You know, we have to let the aesthetic match the vibes that we're getting. So for debt, I would like to get a black one and change this one out because pink is just too upbeat for something I'm not happy about. All right, so debt is getting $20. And I actually ended up paying off one of my credit cards last month, so this is empty. And so 20 is all that it has. Tolls is going to be getting $25. Tolls has 1, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I want to say that was 460. Oh gosh, let me see. Yeah, 460, because I was like, not sure if it was 400 or 500. And then taxes will be getting $60. All right, so now taxes has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 650, 660, 680, 700, 720, 25, 26, 27. $727. All right, so that is it for the stuffing today. I want to thank you all so much for watching my cash stuffing work from home edition. I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your day. See you soon. Bye.